Hi crafters, this is Crafty Savvy, also known as Sabrina, coming to you today for a little face-to-face. Today is the draw for my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So I just thought that I would come on and say a couple things to you guys first before we choose the 3 winners. So I don't know, maybe some of you noticed that I didn't reply to any of the comments that were left. There were 93 comments, and I can't tell you how that made me feel. So regarding those comments, I just wanted to come on and sort of address those comments kind of overall. I normally make a point of answering all of the comments because I think that's also an important part of being here on YouTube, and a good way for me to interact with you guys, and I love to do that, and hopefully I can continue to do that. Every time you guys leave something on one of my videos. So with that being said, I just want to say that your comments, pretty much all of you, touched my heart in some way or another. You guys were very open and honest with answering my question, and some of you just took it to another level that just was incredible. A lot of you are crafting because it's fulfilling something that's missing in your life. Some of you have tragically lost a family member or a child, or someone from your past, grandparents and so on, and I'm sorry for that, for those of you who have lost somebody, but happy that you found something that brings some sort of joy to your life, and that that's crafting or art or whatever it may be. So good for you guys. And so many of you also have somebody in your life who sort of pushed you to do what you're doing, and I notice a lot of those happen to be your dad, which is a great thing, because that's kind of for me too. My mom's very crafty also, but in different ways. She loves to decorate, and so I get some of that from her too, but it's my dad who's more of the artistic in terms of painting and drawing and that sort of thing. So I'm so happy for you guys that you are able to get some of that from your dads and moms and grandparents, and so I can't tell you how blessed and honored, let's say, I feel that you guys actually took the time to answer that question like you did. Some of you left paragraphs, and I had so much fun reading them all, and I just didn't want you guys to think that I ignored it by not answering you, because I just wanted to come on and tell you guys that you're all wonderful, and I thank you so much for being here with me, and I feel like we're all friends. I wish we could get into a room and just have a big crafty party, but what else? And some of you also said that, you're not an artist by any means. And, I don't really think that's true, because artist to me doesn't mean just being able to, make a painting or a drawing or something. I feel like you're an artist if you put your heart into anything that you do. And it doesn't necessarily have to come out perfect. And, 90% of what I do is not, well, I don't like to use the word perfect, because nothing ever is, but it's fine. It's good to my standards, and if somebody else out there likes it and can learn something from it, then I think you're one step ahead. And to me, that makes me an artist, just because I love to do what I love to do. And will I ever have my stuff out there and make all this money and what? Probably not, but that's not what matters to me. And so I'm an artist in my own right, and you're all artists in your own right, no matter what you do. And as long as you enjoy it and you love it, I think that is the main thing. So I think that's what I wanted to say about that. I truly appreciate all of you guys. I'm blessed and honored, like I said, to know you all in this regard. And I wish I could get to know you better, but it is what it is. And so I continue to make videos and hope that you continue to find something in those videos that you can use. And that's about it. So we will go ahead now and choose the 3 winners for the giveaway, and I wish you guys all good luck, and I wish you guys all the health and happiness in the world. And once again, thank you so much for being there for me and supporting my channel. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my regular hands video, and we will talk to you guys all real soon. Okay, thank you guys. Okay guys, so here I am, I'm back again to our normal view. So I just wanted to show you quickly. This is just a quick overview of, look at those comments. Look, it's beautiful. You guys, to take the time to actually write to me was incredible, and I thank you guys all very much for that. So what I did was I did the old-fashioned way. I printed out all your comments. Like I said, there were 93, and I cut them all up into strips, and I folded them all up, and so they're all in here. Sorry about the glare. So you're all in here, so everything is fair. Just make sure that everything's in there, and I'm going to go ahead and pick 3 winners. So what we're going to do is I'll pick the winner, and then I will respond to your comment on my previous video for the giveaway, and I will put my also put my email address somewhere on that video. And if you guys can send me a message, so the winners send me a message through email, I will get the particulars and I will send your gift to you. I can't promise that it's going to be out tomorrow, but hopefully in the next few days I can get it finished and packaged up. So yeah, I hope to do that soon. If I don't hear from the winner in a couple of days, then I will pick someone else, and I'm not sure how we'll go about that, if there'll be another video or something, but hopefully I hear from you guys. So here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna reach in here and pull one out. So our first winner is Love, Wisdom, Grace. That's who you are. And I don't know if it's okay to read these. I guess so, since you guys posted them to me. But she says that her junior high art teacher and her grandma influenced her in her art, and paint and paper, and the other with fabric. So she's got a love for texture. So that's great. Congratulations, Love, Wisdom, Grace. I will find your comment on the previous video and leave you a message. There you go. So that's the first one. Okay. I'll pick the second one. And the second winner is Kath McMillan. Kath McMillan, you're the second winner. She congratulates me on my 3,000 subscribers, and 2 people influenced her grandfather with paper and writing tools, and unfortunately he in an accident lost his arm and leg. Sorry about that. And he gave his entire collection to her. And her husband also is someone who influences her, and her husband tells her that you can do anything you put your mind to doing, and that's so true. That's exactly what I believe. So your husband is exactly right, Kath. And she learns something new every day. That's fantastic. So you're the second winner, Kath McMillan. So there we go. Congratulations to you. So I will also answer your email and, your comment. And the last winner is Elaine T. Yay! So there you go, Elaine. You're the third winner. Her mom, who she recently lost, I'm sorry about that, Elaine, was a big influence on her life and teachers that she's met over the years and wonderful people on YouTube. So all of you and me. And there are influences all around us in the world if we open our eyes and see them. How wonderful is that? That's going to be like my new motto. That's wonderful. Thank you, Elaine. You're the third winner. So there you go, guys. Sorry, those of you who didn't win, but congratulations to those of you who did. So once again, Love, Wisdom, Grace, Kath McMillan, and Elaine T. I will answer I will reply to your message that you left on the previous video, and we'll get all the particulars, and I will send those things out to you. So once again, thank you everybody for watching this long video and for sticking with me and for subscribing. So you guys all be well, take care of yourself, and we'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye, guys.